I'm Pam. Welcome to Healthy Home Services. We're proud to be your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs, whether it's inside your home or out. If you're looking for carpet, tile and grout, upholstery, or driveways, house washing, even patio furniture, we've got you covered. As a locally owned and family-operated business, we're proud to have an A+ rating with the BBB and one of the highest rating cleaning companies in the area with over 300 5-star reviews on Google. What sets us apart? We genuinely care. We stand behind every service with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Not satisfied? We'll come right back out, no charge. Still not happy? We'll offer a full refund. What could be more fair? We believe in doing things the right way the first time with honest pricing and dependable service. So if you're looking for a reliable, experienced, and customer-focused cleaning company, give us a call. We'd love to help because our passion is your healthy home. Call or text today, 901-512-7732.